Okay, next on the bench we got a D-Rail Striker 955 HPC. Apparently it doesn't have any audio on receive, so let's see if we can fix that. Alright, we're back on the D-Rail Striker SR 955 HP for RC, the referee. So last time in the last video we realized we definitely didn't have audio on the receive. Turned out being this IC right here. We traced it out using our scope, and yeah, so looky what we got today. Got some audio ICs in. Double-sided board pretty much, so yeah, skill level for soldering on that is pretty high. It's yeah, if you're a rookie with a soldering iron and don't have a really nice soldering station like this, then I don't recommend that you try this. So let's get our desoldering aspect of our soldering station fired up, and let's get to replacing that IC right there. Doesn't that sound like fun? Sure it does. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, something interesting I noticed. This here, it's got no mica washer on it. It was just heat sinked right to the just thermal pasted right to the side of the case. So I guess we'll roll with it. Alright, got audio on receive. No modulation on transmit. So we'll have to go through the transmit section, pump our audio generator into the mic input here, key it, then go through it with the scope again and trace out where we're missing our transmit audio. So let's figure that out. Okay, half the audio problem is solved. We got receive audio now. No audio on the transmit. Wow. So it's going to be time for some more scope time. So we'll get this traced out, figure out what the heck happened to the audio on the transmit, and fix that problem too, and then hopefully we're done. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, we're all fixed. As you can hear, we got receive audio, and I fixed the transmit audio. That was a Colt solder joint going to the power lead on the 5-band EQ D-Rail built in. It just didn't get soldered good and it popped off, so there was no power to the board. Audio. Hello. So you can see we got audio on the transmit now. Hello. Well, let's say I'm all done. So we're going to call it good. Shouldn't be anything else wrong, so what the heck. RC, there you go, buddy. Your D-Rail Striker is done. It receives and it has audio out. Alright. Thanks for watching my videos, everyone. Psychotech Labs signing off for now.